welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a much needed trim on these ends. So to see how I do that, go ahead and keep watching. They're snagging a little bit. So we're going to need scissors, of course, a sectioner clamp, rat tail comb, and a regular comb, and my Tangle Teaser brush. Now keep in mind, I am not a professional. This is not a tutorial. This is just how I'm trimming my hair, and since it's gotten so long, it's gotten a little trickier to do that on my own. So this video is just me showcasing a little bit of the struggle, but also how I'm trying to figure out how to best keep my ends trimmed. So that's what I'm doing here. So go ahead and keep watching if you want to see the outcome. These aren't too bad, but you can kind of see how a little scraggly they are. Start with this section here. Clamp the rest up.